Hello friends, welcome. I am working on a layout that I hope comes together the way I see it in my head. Hopefully it will. I'm going to be using a little bit of mixed media, a whole lot of this kit from Not Just for Boys Kit Club, some stencils, and some Mickey Mouse dies. I'm super excited. So I am Karen. I am the everything behind A Little Kinder here on YouTube and Instagram and on Facebook. So let's dive into this. Let's start with this kit. This is a Not Just for Boys Kit Club page kit. Okay. So it comes with this idea of a page already together. And I loved it. I love that they think through it. But I also really love that I am able to take these pieces and use them for something else. Because I don't always have the pictures that they have and whatnot. Now, not really sure what all we're going to pull and how we're going to make this work, but we are going to make this work because I have been dying to use this kit. I bought it back, I want to say late December, early January. It was definitely in the winter months, thinking that we would have snow. And then you know what? Bust. Nothing. Not a single drop fell at our house. Not even ice, y'all. I mean, nothing. Here we go. Now, where I work, we had the biggest blessing happen. And I am so excited. There is a group here locally where you can hire and they will send out princesses or superheroes for your party, but they also do community service. And our little Dream Center group was able to gain some of their community service pieces. And so Anna and Elsa came to Club K2. And my littles were so excited. You can see they are loving all over Anna and Elsa. This was their biggest surprise. And of course, it gave me the opportunity to wear my Olaf ears again outside of the parks. So we thought it was super cute. They thought it was super cute. So this is going to be my layout. I don't do many 2-page layouts. I just don't. I tend to stick to singles. Not sure why. It's just kind of, maybe it's easier. Maybe for me, it's just really easy to conceptualize on a square. And so that's what it is. All right, let me slide this out of the way and see if I can share with you kind of what I'm seeing as my vision. So I really am thinking a white background. We may do some mixed media on here. I am thinking on this side, maybe a little higher than lower. At least this is how I see it in my head. We have these 3 photos together, almost as if they are one single unit. Really nice, huh? Then we put this cute, adorable little shot of the kiddos here. And we put the big shot of all of us, maybe... Oh my goodness, I can't get the pictures to lift. Maybe down like this. So this was kind of what I'm seeing. Now let's talk about the blank areas. So, I don't know, maybe here. I don't know. Anyway, the thought was that these would be together. So either journaling here and title here, which would totally work. Or if we drop this down under, we do title here and journaling kind of coming all the way across. So that's kind of where I'm going. I do have these papers that came in the kit. So we have 2 different photo play and 1 Echo Park. The photo play is from the Winter Chalet collection. And so we have this really pretty dark wood grain that would look beautiful as kind of the behind to those really dark pictures. But there's also this really great plaid. We have this stripe. We have this kind of Nordic print, which actually would look beautiful with it. And then we have this Magic of Winter sheet where I really kind of like the light blue. So we have some work to do because I need to spread this across 2 pages. Oh, it also in the kit was a piece of neutral. I did cut some alphabet letters out of this really pretty kind of charcoal gray. It's the whole alphabet. I wanted to have kind of like die cut letters on the hand. I mean, on the go. So this one is one of my favorite fonts. It's called Smiley Monster. It's the old Doodlebug Designs font, and I absolutely love it. It's probably my favorite. So I made a bunch of 1-inch letters that are just a little bit bigger than, say, a letter sticker, so that they would mix nicely together. We do have the navy letter stickers. We have this great little card that we could use for journaling. We have an ephemera pack from Winter Chalet, which has a lot of really pretty things in it. And then we have these really great wood pieces. I am drawn to the little hearts. These little hearts. I'm also drawn to the snowflakes. I think the deer is sweet, but I don't know if it goes with what we're doing. Or tree. Or deer. Not really sure what that is. Maybe it's a deer. So this is what we have to work with. I am going to turn my mic off, make some decisions, and check back in with you in a few. So here's what I think I'm doing with the backgrounds, and cut them into different strips. I love this idea of these pieces coming across. I am going to cut this closer to the photo mats so that there's more of this sticking out, but using these teeny tiny strips of this stripe, whoops, north and south here and here, you know, the north and south of the photos, having these different pieces. Now I've lost my group photo. It's here somewhere. I keep shoving things off to the side. And so I think maybe it's going to go over here-ish. What I do want to do is take this paper and some of my stencils and stencil onto them some snowflakes randomly throughout, and then I want to die cut some vellum Mickey snowflakes. So these are from Scraps and Ink. It's an SD shop. I think they're so super cute. There are snowflake set 1, snowflake set 2, and they are 2 different looking snowflakes. They don't layer, they're just different. But I love how some of them are solid in the center and some of them have the little Mickey cut out. I think these are going to be perfect. I just need to die cut some of those. So I think what we're going to do is go back to the sped up. Let me add some snowflakes to these pieces. Commit to some things. And then I'll be back. Oh my goodness. I am so pleased with how this turned out. And there is so much that went into this, and I am so excited. So this is a 2-page, so it's not my normal size. I normally do just singles. So we'll jump up close. You can see this side. Lots of really good, yummy product that got used. I loved the layers here. I did take off of some of where my splatters were and kind of dotted them on, so those are kind of the bigger bully looking ones, but it's fine. They're absolutely fine. And then here is this side. Oh, my friends, I am so excited that you came with me on this little adventure. I do need to add some journaling. I plan to add that on some strips right down here. But I will be doing that after all of this dries because, as you can see, I already have black paint on my hands just from moving things around. So I am going to let this dry. I will have still shots. Actually, anyway, I will have still shots for you, I promise. Thank you so much for being here. I would love for you to like this video, like I said at the beginning, and become a subscriber where you can see all of the things that I put out weekly. Yeah, y'all, this has been a great one. This one was so fun, and I hope that you are inspired to create. Until next time, my friends, go make some memories. Bye-bye.